Hello, I'm Caroline Flanagan, Baby Proof Coach. I'm just cropping up to let you know that episode 2 of the Baby Proof Your Career podcast is now live on iTunes. Woohoo! Very exciting. It's all about role models, and in particular, when you think there are no role models in your organisation, no one you can aspire to or who can motivate you or whose behaviour you can model, think again. There are role models absolutely everywhere, and in this episode I show you how and where to find them, and most importantly what to do once you do find them. My favourite bit of this episode may well be the point where I was talking about modelling behaviour, the behaviour of someone who's got great presence when they walk into a room. I get myself into a bit of a fuddle about whether they're wearing flat shoes or high heels. Not sure what was going on about that. I might get shouted at by the high heel police. But either way, it was a very relevant, important point, strangely made, but I'm sure you will get the message. Go and have a listen. Head on over to iTunes, Baby Proof Your Career podcast. You can listen also via my website, carolineflanagan.com/podcast. I hope you enjoy it, and do remember to leave your comments and a review when you've listened. Thank you so much. Thanks for your time, and I hope you enjoy it. See you soon. Bye.